Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the Unit 10, that is Anatomy and Physiology. Anatomy and Physiology for the GNM first years. In this we are going to discuss about the Unit 10, that is Reproductive System. So Reproductive System, that is Unit 10, and in this we are going to discuss about the introduction about the reproductive system. So the reproductive system is very important for the reproduction. So in the reproductive system, what will happen? The reproductive system, it can be help for the development of the sexual hormones. So the reproductive system is very important for the production of the sexual hormones, and the reproductive system, it is also help for the development of the offspring. So that is the fetal development. The reproductive system is very important for the fetal development, and it is also help for the production of the sex hormone, and it is also help for the development of the sex hormone, and there is a development of the sperms and in the males, and it is also help for the production of the ovum in the females. So the reproductive system is very important for the development of the ovum in the females, and in the males there is a production of the sperms, and the reproductive system can be helped. So the reproductive system is very important for the development of the sexual hormones, and it is also help for the development of the ovum in the females, and there is any sperms in the males. So there is and it is also help for the development of the fetal development in the during the delivery. So during the pregnancy, it is also help for the development of the fetus. So it is about the introduction. So the next one is puberty. So the puberty, it can be occur at the age of the 8 to 13 years in females. So the puberty, it can be occur at the age of the 8 to 13 years in the female, and 9 to 14 years in the males. So the puberty, it can be occur. The puberty age, it is also known as adolescence age, and it can be occur 8 to 13 years in the female and 9 to 14 years in the males. So during this period, the puberty can be occur, and that is called as menarche, and there is a during this 18 to 30 years there is a follicle stimulating hormone and stimulating hormone, it can be released. So in the females, the follicle stimulating hormone and stimulating hormone, it can be secretes the estrogen and progesterone in the females. So in the females there is a estrogen and progesterone. So these two hormones can be secreted by the luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormone in the females. So like that only in the males, there is a testosterone hormone, it can be released during the age of the 9 to 14 years. So 9 to 14 years there is a releasing of the testosterone hormone by the luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormone. So during this puberty age, the luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormone, it can be secretes the estrogen and progesterone in the females, and like that only there is a testosterone in the males can be really secreted by the luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. So this is the puberty. So in this next one is changes occur at puberty. So during this puberty, and the changes can be occur in the males and the females. So in the males there is a spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis means there is a secretion of the sperm. So there is a production of the sperm, it is called as spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis means there is a production of the sperm, and it is called as spermatogenesis. So during this puberty age, spermatogenesis can be occur. So it is the secondary sexual characteristics, and that is the production of the sperm, and there is a external genitalia. So there is a external genitalia, there is a increase in the size and the length and width can be increased. So it is the external genitalia. So there is a external genitalia, there is a length and width can be increased in the males. And next one is the voice. So there is a voice can be increased, and there is a larynx can be larynx size can be increased during the puberty age in the males. So there is a larynx size can be increased and voice can be increased, and it is become high pitched sound, and there is a vocal cords also increased in the size. So వాయిస్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకా వోకల్ కార్డ్స్ యొక్క సౌండ్ సైజ్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది, ఇంకా లారింగ్స్ యొక్క సౌండ్ కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ ఏజ్లో ప్యూబర్టీ ఏజ్లో మేల్ వాయిస్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, ఇంకా బిహేవియర్ కూడా అగ్రెసివ్గా ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఎప్పుడు కోపంగా ఉంటుంది. సో డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ ప్యూబర్టీ ఏజ్ బికమ్ అగ్రెసివ్ బిహేవియర్. సో అగ్రెసివ్ బిహేవియర్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు కోపంగా ఉండడం, చిరాకు పడడం ఈ ఏజ్లో ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సో అదేవిధంగా ఈ ఏజ్లో అపోజిట్ సెక్స్కి ఎక్కువగా అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతారు. సో దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ in this puberty age, there is in males there is a attractive towards opposite sex. So in males there is a they interested towards opposite sex. So there is a external genitalia and it is become increase in size and the width. So there is a voice, the size of the larynx can be increased and the vocal cord size also increased, and it is become high pitched sound, and there is a aggressive behavior can be occur during the age of the puberty, and there is a hair growth. So there is a muscles and the beard can be increased during this puberty age. So there is a hair growth can be occur in the males, that is muscles, and the beard can be increased during the puberty age. So in this puberty age there is a males can be interested towards opposite sex, and the people will have the aggressive behavior. So it is about the in males. So the changes occur in puberty in males, that is the spermatogenesis, and the external genitalia can be increased in the length and width, and there is a voice increase in the voice, and vocal cord size also increased, and there is a larynx can be increased, size of the larynx can be increased, and they will have the aggressive behavior, and they are having the interest towards the opposite sex, and there is a hair growth can be occur like their muscles, and the beard can be increased. So it is about the males. So the next one is the females. So in females there is a oogenesis. So the oogenesis means it is the production of the ovum. So there is a production of ovum. During this puberty age, the ovum can be released. So that is nothing but there is a egg can be released during the puberty age. So there is the oogenesis means there is a production of the ovum. So during this puberty age, and in the females there is a oogenesis can be occur. So the oogenesis means there is a production of the ovum. So the next one is the uterus. So the uterus during the puberty age, the uterus can be increases in the size, and the uterine tubes and the ovaries can be reached to the maturity. So during this puberty age, the uterus anedi గర్భసంచి అనేది ఇంకా యూట్రైన్ ట్యూబ్స్ అనేవి డెవలప్ అయి మెచ్యూర్ అవుతాయి. సో దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ uterine tubes and the ovaries can be reached maturity, and there is a menstrual cycle begins. So the menstrual cycle can be occur at this puberty age. So there is a next one is become breast should be enlarged and there is a size can be increased during the puberty age. So during this puberty age in the females the size of the breast increased and there is a menstrual cycle can be started and there is a pubic and axillary hair can be begin. So the pubic area and the axillary region the hair growth can be occur during the puberty age and there is a increase in the height and widening of the pelvis. So the pelvis become increases in the length and width. So there is a increase in the height and width of the pelvis. So during this puberty age the height and the width of the pelvic bone has increased. So because it can be occur during the puberty age, so it can be occur there is a increase in the height and width of the pelvic bone. So it can be helped for the during the delivery process. So during the delivery process and the pelvic bone it is become wide and it become height can be increased. So during the puberty age and the increase in the height and there is a width of the pelvic bone. And next one is the increase in the fat. So during the puberty age the fat can be increased in the, at the area of the hip and breast. So breast area lo kani and hip area lo kani fat anedi perugutundi puberty age lo. So there is a during the puberty age the fat can be increased at the level of the hip and there is a breast. So at the area of the hip and breast and there is a fat can be increased. So the changes can be occur in the females. There is a oogenesis, there is a production of the ovum or the egg and there is a uterus. The uterine tubes and the ovum can be reached to the maturity and during the puberty age the menstrual cycle can be begins and there is a breast and the pubic axillary hair can be increased. So during the puberty and the axillary hair and the pubic hair can be developed and begins to grow and there is a pelvic bone it is become increase in the height and widening of the pelvis and there is a adipose tissue that is fat can be increased during the puberty age at the area of the hip and the breast. So the next one is the menarche. So the menarche it is the first menstrual cycle it can be occur at the age of the 11 to 13 years and the bleeding can be occur. So that is the menarche. First menstrual cycle can be occur at the age of the 11 to 13 years. And there is a menopause. It is the continuous. So the menopause it is the end stage of the stopping of the bleeding. So there is it can be occur 45 to 50 years of age. That is menopause. So the menopause it is the stopping of the bleeding and there is a stopping of the menstrual cycle and there is a it can be occur 45 to 50 years age. So it is called as menopause. So menarche is the menstrual cycle and there is a starting of the menstrual cycle. It can be occur at the age of 11 to 13 years and the menopause it can be occur for 45 to 50 years and it is the stoppage of the menstrual cycle. So it is the menopause and the menarche. So these changes can be occur in the females. So it is about the introduction and the changes can be occur in the during the puberty in females and the males. So it completes the introduction about the